Good afternoon, everybody. This is Todd Mitchell for Tuesday, October 7th. And if you recall back to yesterday's video, I was talking about the stock Green Plains, right? GPRE. This is a daily chart. Okay, a daily chart of GPRE. As you can see, the market has pulled back quite extensively from this high down to this level in here. As you can see, the market is holding so far at the 200 exponential moving average. And if you recall back to yesterday's video, what we did was we measured the Fibonacci retracements from this low down in here, left corner, from this low up to this high. We've got the bigger numbers here, the 38.2% retracements right in here. And then we also measured from this low right in here. I like to call an active low, a significant low in this up run, right? Actually, this is the most significant low because this right here, folks, is where the market really started to move up with momentum with very little pullback, barely hitting that mid-Kiltner channel band, and then, of course, dropping big time down in here. So I think we're at an area where we can be looking to potentially go long, but I'm looking for a trigger, okay? Now, just because it's setting up, just because the market has pulled back into a logical support zone, right? Now, look at these two lines. These two lines are what we call Fibonacci confluence, right? This is basically the 61.8% retracement from active low to high, and it's also the 38.2% retracement from that low further back up to this high. So right in here is a big level, and then of course we've got this 200, okay? So what I said yesterday was to wait for penetration up through Friday's high. Friday's high was 34.38. I was looking to buy it at 34.51 actually, okay? Because 10 cents above 34.38 is 34.48, and I don't want to be buying it right below a half number of 34.5. So my buy was 34.51. Look at yesterday's high, 34.43 before it sold off. So we sold off. Came close to this low that was put in place on the 2nd of October. And look at today. Today looks like we're going to have a nice setup for tomorrow. Okay, let's blow this up a little bit more. Look at this. Today's low so far is higher than yesterday's low, and of course the high is much lower than yesterday's high. So it looks like we may be setting up for a little inside pattern here, right? And if that's the case, I'm going to be looking to buy this market tomorrow up through the high of 33.14. 33.24 would be the buy tomorrow. Okay? So, again, look for, assuming we end the day and we created an inside pattern, we would be looking to buy it tomorrow, regardless if the lows are taken out first, if the low is taken out first, or even yesterday's low, or even last Thursday's low is taken out first, and then the market happens to rally up through and penetrate 33.24, I'd be buying it. Okay, so that is the play for tomorrow. All right, hope that helps. Have a profitable rest of your day, and I'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye for now.